Discover the top organizers and storage solutions for your Tesla Model Y. From versatile camping cooler bags to specialized trunk organizers, we've got you covered with the best accessories to maximize your car's storage space and keep everything in order. Perfect for road trips, daily commutes, and family outings. Watch now to transform your Tesla experience. First up, we have the camping cooler insulated bags. These versatile bags are perfect for keeping your groceries fresh or storing drinks and snacks for a camping trip. The watertight design ensures no spills, and they fit perfectly in the frunk of your Tesla Model Y or Model X. Plus, they can be used in any car, making them a great all-around solution. With 2 bags included, you have ample space to organize all your essentials. These bags are a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their car's storage space. Next, we have the Basenor Trunk Organizer. This set of waterproof storage bins fits seamlessly into the rear trunk of your Tesla Model Y. Designed specifically for the 2022-2024 models, these bins come with a carpeted lip for added protection and a premium look. The Basenor Trunk Organizer is perfect for keeping your trunk neat and tidy. Whether you're storing sports equipment, groceries, or emergency supplies, these bins ensure everything has its place. Moving on, let's talk about the 5PCS Center Console Organizer Tray. Compatible with Tesla Model 3 and Model Y from 2021 to 2024, this organizer includes an armrest hidden drawer, storage box, and cup holder. Note that it's not compatible with the 2024 Model 3. These trays are perfect for keeping your center console clutter-free. From storing coins and keys to organizing your drinks, these trays make accessing your essentials easy and convenient. Last but not least, we have the Car Door Organizer Tray. Made from durable TPE material, this set of 4 trays fits perfectly in the doors of Tesla Model Y cars from 2020 to 2023. These trays are designed to keep your door storage organized and within reach. With their sleek black finish, they blend seamlessly with your car's interior while providing practical storage solutions. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these organizers and storage solutions helpful for your Tesla Model Y. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Tesla tips and accessories. See you next time.